What's up everyone? It's me, your Solitary John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries, a mega love shoutout mga ka-18 and happiest new year to all of you. Cheers to 2026. Yes, we are going to do our reaction video for today for Mahalima SB19 for their performance in the New Year's Eve party at the 5th BGC. Yes, we are so excited for this because this is the full performance that they have, guys, and this is an audience view. And shout out to Justin Time for uploading this video. I'm so excited to check this out. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Wow! Oh, di ba lahat nakataas ang cellphone? Ganda ng stage, ah. Eh! Grabe yung sigaw ng mga ka-18. Ooh, diba? You know, the magical tree. Charot. Hey! Oh my God! Oh, pogi ni Josh. Where's my style? Uy, sleeveless. Grabe yung performance, guys. Performance level right away. SB19 yan. I love the outfit of Ken. Philip pala, charet. Hinudi tayo ni Philip for today. Grabe. Ooh, style! Oh! Bakit may may pasilip to si Stel? May pa-biceps ang isang Stel. Oh, lula, flex pa talaga siya. Oh my God. In fairness, lumaki ng katawan ni Stel. Rev. Hey, Pablo and Justin. Hey! Sarap! Charot! Ay! Iba talaga si Stel for today's video. In fairness, iba vocal ni Stel and then that outfit, oozing with sex appeal. Wow! Sustained notes. Ay, may paglet mic si Pablo. Eh, alam ko pinalitan daw yung choreo nito diba guys? Ito ata yung bagong choreo nila, yung sa Akon 2025. Ooh, iba rin ang Pablo. Siyempre, ang Justin. Napaka-wholesome pa rin talaga ni Justin, no? Grabe yung pakilikili ni Stel, guys. Saka lumaking katawan niya, grabe. Hey! Go, Josh! Oh, sarap nun. Charet! Oh my God, grabe. Pinanindigan ni Josh yung hair niya na ganyan na. Uy, may pasilip din si Josh. Hey, grabe, intense. Oh my God, ibang katawan ni Stel for today's video, guys. Hey, oh my God. That dance move, oh. Smooth. Ay, giving na giving. Go, Stel. This is live vocal. Oh! That is live vocal there, guys. Hey, grabe. If I feel this performance, paano pa kaya yung mga nanonood? Apa. Hey! Dominating talaga sila, oh. Grabe, goosebumps. Oh my God! Grabe yun! Ang sarap ni Stel. Ay. Naku, parang concert set pala ito. Hey! Oh! Sarap ni Stel. Hey. Iba talaga yung laki ng katawan ni Stel for today's video, ha? Nagpe-flex talaga siya. Sorry guys, kay Stel ako nakafocus for today's video. Sarap. Ay, sila ni Josh. Uy! May mga papusod. Saka yung vocal ni Stel talaga. Grabe, no? Live yan, ha? Hey. Parang concert ng SB19, guys. Sakit ng step. Ay, iba yung kaldag. Grabe. Saka yung energy sustained. Si Justin talaga very innocent. Charin. Siya yung pinakamalinis, apa. Ang ating bebe boy. Ibang Stel. Saka yung komandito ni Pablo din. Hey! That's how you do it, Stel. Sustained. Kondisyon. Wow! That vocal flair of Stel is so good. Saan ba nakahawak si Stel kasi? Charit. Grabe, parang di sila mapagod. Eh! Oh my gosh! Grabe. Kung nasa Pilipinas lang talaga ako, nasa BGC din ako. Oo. Hindi ko palalagpasin yan, guys, because I've watched it in Araneta. Eh! Si Stel man hawak ng hawak sa belt. Charit. Eh! Grabe yung biceps ni Stel, guys.
Evening BGC, ako nga pala si Pablo!
Woo! You guys don't need an introduction. We all know you guys. Sarap ni Josh!
What is up BGC? It's your boy Stel!
Hey! My God, grabe yung sigawan for, Ken, Di ba kasi laking boses, Oh, ang ating little boy. Ay, may pa-water. Tubig daw muna. May pahinga pala. Pahinga muna, guys. Dalawang super performance. Yes, we're having fun!
One more time. BGC, make some noise!
Hey! Kala mo naman nasa BGC.
3, 2, 1!
Hey!
Wow! That was
Stel, ano bang meron dyan sa belt mo? Charis.
here. Are you guys happy to see us?
Yes!
Yeah, we're very happy to spend the New Year's Eve with you. And
Oo nga, no, grabe. They're still working
Josh, you
even
wanna
in the
say
new
something
year.
to everyone?
Yeah. I know you guys have been here for about a couple of hours already. So, I know na medyo nag-iipon na ulit tayo ng energy para sa countdown. Is that correct?
Hey!
Yes! And
Pogi ni
with
Stel.
all of the family.
Josh.
Yes,
Ito talagang dalawang to, eh.
For spending
Si
your
Philip
time
din, eh.
visiting
Actually,
us.
lahat naman talaga sila.
BGC.
Pero,
Spending your
sorry
New
guys,
Year
I have
together with
the
us.
heart
Diba
of
kasi
Stel. Charit.
kapag kasama niyo sa New Year, magkasama ka na kayo for the rest of the year.
Ay! Ganun ba yun?
Kasama niyo kami for the rest of the year.
Ay, naku, Josh! Gusto mo ako pang mag-alaga sa'yo.
Kasama namin yun.
Pero syempre, gusto ko yung Anong oras kayo pumunta dito?
Grabe, may narinig ko 4 p.m.
Pero okay pa ba kayo?
Ay, for sure okay.
Di ba kayo lahat?
Mga hindi.
Oh, pero alam mo guys, pinakamahalaga, you stay hydrated. Diba? Inom-inom tubig, pero kung wala naman tubig, para refresh kayo sa salubong natin yung back and forth. Don't forget, meron tayo dyan, zero sugar, Pepsi, lime.
Ay,
Ayan,
sure, may pa-sponsor ng Pepsi.
Diba, Justin?
In fairness sa BGC,
buong taon na pinagdaanan natin. Isipin mo, sobrang dami na ang pinagdaanan. We were able to release simula ng class.
Wave sila kay Stel. Uy!
And then, kapag world tour kami,
Oo nga, no, they had their world tour. Grabe. Kayo dumaan ng Malaysia.
So maraming salamat.
Hindi ako nakapunta ng Singapore, eh. They went to Singapore. Pero napanood naman natin yung very first kick-off ng concert nila for that world tour, guys. So, nasa Pilipinas tayo siya with KJ Avelino Vlogs and JM Glino. Sobra yun. What an experience. Sejin. Ay, ito na. Iba talaga si Justin pag nagbabalad, no? Grabe. Gusto ko rin yun. Namimiss ko yung ganong kantahan ni Ken, no? Shallow ng vocal styling. We love this song. Iba yung tibok na itong kanta na to, eh. Sarap ni Stel. Uy! Ma-harmony. Charit. Diba? Ang ganda ng kanta na to, guys. Ay, pa-flying kiss si Stell. Grabe yung voice search nyo. Diba? Ang ganda pa ng beat. Iba talaga ang vocal ng isang Stell. Ito talaga busesan eh. Itong kanta na to talagang nilalabas nila yung vocal style ng bawat isa. Oh, the 10 notes is so good. Sarap talaga ng boses ni Ken. Hey! Grabe. Diba? I love this song talaga. Iba yung emotion mo. Grabe, guys. But parang biglang, alam niyo yun, they have this command na biglang tumahimik ang lahat. Parang nadama nila yung performance. Grabe. Very soulful, tas vocal talaga.
New Year, new chances.
Yes, new chances in a new year. Sino yung mga nandito ng gabing ito, guys? Comment down below, share your experience.
We'd like to thank everyone for their never-ending
Meron talagang something sa belt ni Stell eh. Oo, hindi niya mabitawan. Charit.
Next year, patuloy niyo po kami supportahan at samahan.
Ay, for sure!
Thank you so much.
And of course, before we do our video,
Grabe si
gusto
Justin.
natin bigyan ng announcement. Wakas ang simula sa April 18, 2026 finale. Abangan niyo po yan.
Oh my God, sa April, sana sa Philippines ba yun, guys? Naku, check ko nga, baka makauwi tayo.
Hali, ako po si Pablo.
Ako si Josh.
Ako si Stella.
Okay.
Ay, tapos na ba?
Brad Pitt.
Eh! Final song. Eh! Let's go! Uy, doon ka! Yes! Grabe to sa Akon 2025. Grabe yung performance na, guys. Isa sa pinakamakulit, pero the beat is sobrang ganda. I love this song. Pati yung steps. Kasi kumakaldag sila dito ng bongga. Hey! Parang concert nila, no? Hey! Diba, nag-high kick pa ang Stell doon. Eh! Eh! Sarap. Hindi mo tapos na. Ganon. Tapos kakaldagan ka. Oh, give na give ang Stel. Ooh! Gusto kita yung jump na yun, dalawang paa. Oh, nag-flex na naman talaga ang Stel. Ay, may torotot na. Eh, kaldag na! Eh! Hindi ko talaga ang ano ni Stel. Oh? Di ba yung pag ganun-ganun ni Stel, guys? Nakulit lang talaga nitong ano, kanta na to, no? Eh! Parang nawala ng ilaw sa stage. Hindi ko makita si Josh. Ooh. Ay! Ay! Ah! Grabe yung vocal ni Stel talaga. Oh my God! Listen to that sustained long high notes. Wow! Only Stel can do that. Hey! Hey! Oh my God. Ay, meron pa! Ah. Crimson. Para rin tayo nanood ulit ng ano, ng Akon 2025, guys. Eh, grabe, ang ganda ng abs niyo, no, ni Stel. Alam niyo yun? Eh, di mahalatang sobrang bias ako kay Stel, di ba? Charan! Pero siyempre, Josh tayo dati eh. Tapos, Stel, tapos si Khalif, ganyan. Ako, kasi Justin masyadong mabait, bebe boy. Tapos si Pablo kasi, ano, masyadong strong. Eh, di ba? Para talagang Akon 2025 to, guys. Ganito yun eh. Eh. Fairness kay Steph, pinaghandaan niya yung katawan niya for New Year's. Grabe! Ay, nagtanggal si Stella ng ano, charet. Eh! Pero ibang karisma ni Pablo sa personal, guys. Promise. Pablo has the vocal and the rap. Sobrang galing. Mas magaling pa sumayaw. Siya na talaga. Grabe, ang generous ni Stel sa high vocals, high notes for today's video. Kumindat pa. Oh, grabe. Yun. Oh my God! O, tinanggal niya nun. Crystal yung cover up niya. Talaga naka-sleeveless sila siya ng bongga. Ooh! Oh my God! Hey! Look at the dance! Sarap ni Stel! Hey! Ah. Ah. Grabe, no? I love that! Sustained energy the whole time. Ay! Magja-jump. Eh! Umupo na lang si Ken doon siya rin. Ayaw niya mag-jump. Hey! Grabe, parang concert nila to, guys. Ah! New Year's Eve concert ng SB19. Hey! Oh my gosh! Wow! Concert feels! Yay! There you have it, guys. That is SB19 concert. New Year's Eve concert. Kasi talaga namang give na give. They give a concert experience in a New Year's Eve. Sino yung mga nando nung gabing yun, guys? Share your experience. Ako na nanonood lang talaga on video, I can feel the energy of the boys. Sobra yung concert feels at yung kasarapan ni Stel. Opo, charet! Grabe, sobra! Paano pa kaya yung mga nandun na live na nanonood? Kaya naman, i-comment nyo ang inyong experience, guys. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa reaction video na ito, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Happy New Year, guys!
Thank you.